Do you think the era of digital welding is still in the future? At Hugong, we have already achieved it. Hugong NV Series combines a clean sheet industrial design with digital waveform control technology, truly achieving multiple welding process, including MMA, MIG, pulse MIG, TIG, plasma, and other special process. An all-new interface called HD Vision is applied. These LCD screens are available in up to 7-inch size, featuring easy parameter setting within only 2 steps. You can even upgrade to a touchscreen. Low splash function, fine control of the droplet transfer process, MIG spot welding, high consistency and efficiency for each welding spot, intelligent functionality, automatically matching optimal welding parameters, expert mode, deep parameter settings with 99 welding process channels, boosting HF arc starting over 99% successful arc ignition rate, Lift TIG technology. When Lift TIG recognizes short circuit conditions and auto-adjust arc length to eliminate welding defects, multifunction, available for slope up, slope down, pre-flow, post-flow, pulse setting function, optimized AC-DC function, square wave, sin wave, triangular wave for different purpose. IntelliFlow technology. Using PMW technology to reduce gas flow during arc piloting. Built-in air compress. No necessary connect the external air compressor. PFC, power factor correction, to enable use with generators and improve overall energy efficiency. Fan on demand, variable speed to balance cooling load with quiet operation. Robust design. The machines are conducted the complete testing including LVD, EMC, IP, dropping test, etc. Different remote controls can be selected. Remote control of welding torch, Bluetooth wireless remote control, high precision electronic foot pedal. Available for connecting to IoT system through 5G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, etc. Available for connecting to robot through device net, CAN, Ethernet, IP, etc. Hugong NV Series embodies both the energy and the technology. At Hugong, we are serious about welding and cutting, giving you all new designs that are clean and cutting edge, and packed with features to make your output better than ever. Where will your future take you? Discover the era of digital welding NV Series from Hugong.